Winning the league is very, very hard. And I think in South Africa, sometimes we take it for granted because some of us don't even remember Sundowns winning the league. We hear the stories that Sundowns has been winning the league 8 times, but you can't just remember the moments they winning those league 8 times. And I think it's not a disrespect to Sundowns. I'm just saying that's the impact they've been doing. I don't think it's good for them to win another league. Like, why are they trying to win another league? And I'm talking like this because the league is gone. And I mean, I will try to be a guy who knows how to use a calculator and maybe try to be like, okay, let me calculate the points, what if and what if. The fact is, those games that are left for Orlando Pirates are also not easy games. It's not like we're going to have a strength that Sundowns have of being a killer, being a team that have that lethal finisher. And I mean, the way we sometimes play the games, you will play the games and then create like lots and lots of chances. And then the game like today, where we needed lots and lots of chances, we couldn't actually take our time and relax and be like, okay, the game is gone. These guys are sitting back. Let's try to actually work out what we know, something that is actually going to work for us. So after we considered, I knew that the game was going to change. We were going to see Sipho Chain starting to play the ball at the back a little bit more faster than he usually does, because sometimes I don't get him why he really likes to stand with the ball. Like, I don't get it. I know you like to be a star maybe, but please stop that thing. Please stop it. But now, after that, you see a lot of people like playing with more agency and trying to create harsh chances. I think sometimes that's not really a good approach after you just consider the goal. Because if you're doing that, first of all, you lack the structure. You don't have the time to actually think what you want to do. Everyone is thinking on their feet. They want to be the hero. So I don't think it's a good thing for teams to do. So you need to always stick to your structure. If we're going to play this way, let's try to play this way. Obviously, these guys, they might sit back a little bit, but we need to play this way and try to find our own opportunities. And then, if they don't work, then we try to find something else. But I don't think this thing of you conceding an early goal and then you're trying to change everything, now you must up the tempo. No, just relax. Try to find your feet. Make sure that you open up the space for you so that you can actually play. But I think Orlando Pirates was just rushing everything after that. And the league is gone. Sundowns have a game in hand and then we are behind 2 points. They're going to win their game. It's going to be 5 points. And I mean, it's not like we're still going to play them. If we're going to say Kaizer Chiefs might do a job for Soweto to just make sure that Soweto gets this league, that's not going to help also. It will need Sundowns to actually maybe have 2 bad games, which is impossible the way they are playing right now. This Sundowns is not going to lose any game like the way they are playing. And I know this weekend they are playing Champions League. Even that game, I think they're going to win it easily. If they don't win it easily, but I think it will be like a good result for them away from home. So, but I don't think those guys were going to lose any game right now. I was hoping for Kaizer Chiefs because of the magnitude of the game, but I don't think right now they might lose a game. Nah. I think Orlando Pirates also need to make sure that they win all their games if they still want to make this a competition. But if I can tell you my honest opinion, I feel like this is over. There is nothing that we can fight for and things like this. And then now let's talk about Chain. There is no way that every time Chain there is a shot on target, it's a goal. That doesn't make sense. And I mean, people were talking about why Bruce is leaving Chain out of them. I thought it was more of the way he thinks, the way he behaves around the squad, maybe the mentality issue thing. I thought it was more of that. But now, this guy, no way, bro. I know there was a point where we're actually blaming Rowan Fernandez, not Ronwin. But what I'm saying is, most of the time when you are a keeper and you have a good defense, sometimes you forget how to be a keeper. And that thing happens, and then we see you doing things like Chain is doing right now. So everyone now, they're just going to shoot the goal at target, and it's going to be a goal. Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, it doesn't make any sense. And another thing, today they were trying to push more balls inside the box, which is something that they're supposed to do anyway. But because they play the way they play, where they move the ball, where they move with the ball inside and trying to penetrate from inside, they haven't actually practiced that kind of mentality of moving the ball outside and then bringing in crosses. And then they try to do that today. It shows that Mbutsuma actually can jump. He can do something with his head. But I don't think we realize that's enough to able to try to do that. And I think we need more people that can go to the byline and give him something. And I think he can score some of the goals. I saw him today. He knows exactly what he's doing. I think more that he needs to do now, it's the purpose of that header that he's taking, because I think sometimes it's lacking the purpose, even though I won't blame him in most of the chances because he was fighting for those chances. It's not like it was just a clean cross, then he was supposed to take a net. But then, yeah, I think it's one of those things. But yeah, the league is gone. I didn't even know what I was saying here today, but I'm just sad. The league is gone. And it's really gone. I'm not sure if I will be able to keep up with the momentum after this. Yeah, I think, but I will try. I will try to keep up with the momentum. I wish the boys don't fall as well. I wish the boys, they stick around and try to push, because I think at the end of the day they need to come back and compete again. I know mathematically wise it's over, based on the fact that Sundowns is a house on fire right now. Everyone is touching Sundowns, is burning, so I don't think there's anything that you can look at right now. But yeah, so I think, yeah, it's gone. Oh yeah, if you've been watching this far, thank you so much. Tell me down in the comment if you believe the league is gone, if you believe there's something that you can do. You hope maybe the neighbors can do something for us, just for Soweto, not actually for us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Up the Bucks, once, always.